Hi kids, I am Chandrima. Welcome to HDSC Education. Today we will learn social study. The chapter name is Changes in Means of Transport. Means of transport refers to the things we use to travel from one place to another. We use them to carry people as well as goods. Look at the picture, kids. Earliest human beings walked to go from one place to another. Later people learned to domesticate animals such as horse, camels and donkeys to travel. They started traveling on the back of these animals. These animals were also trained to carry goods. The invention of wheel brought about great development in the means of transport. It made transportation very easy. People started using wooden cart drawn by horse or bull carts to carry people and goods. Invention of other vehicles like cycles, scooters, cars and so on become possible because of the use of wheels. Earlier means of transport like cars, cycles and riskas were pulled by human and animals. Later fuel like petrol, diesel, steam, electricity and CNG were used to provide power to vehicles that have engines. This made it possible for people to travel by land, water and air easily and comfortable. CNG's full form? CNG's full form is compressed natural gas. Next is land transport. There are two main forms of land transport. They are road transport and rail transport. What is road transport? Road refers to the track on which some vehicles move. In early times, roads were muddy track made by cleaning trees, bushes and big stone. Later the roads were paved with brick or crushed stone. Now we find stronger concrete or tar roads. Vehicles like bullock carts, cycles, riskas, scooters, cars, buses, trucks and so on move on roads. Therefore, they are the means of road transport. Rail transport includes vehicles that run on special tracks called rail tracks or train tracks. These have long rod-like structures made up of iron or steel. They are placed side by side. Trains move on these tracks smoothly and with great speed. There are useful means of travels to distant places. With the expansion of cities, metro trains are popular, being used to travel from one part of the city to another. In many countries, bullet trains and monorails are being used to reach places in shorter time. In Indian Railway and roads connect almost all villages and towns to the major cities. Next is water transport. In the early times, people lived on the banks of rivers. Initially, logs were used to travel across their rivers. Then people learned to make raft with logs and bamboos to travel across the water bodies. Gradually, they learned to make canoes and boats to sail. With the passage of time, ships and boats were made using engines. These are still used to carry goods and passengers from one place to another. Ships that are used only to carry goods are called cargo ships. Nowadays, cruise ships and ocean liner also take people around the world comfortably. Ships load and unload passengers and goods from special places located near water bodies. They are called port. Next is air transport. Air transport is the first means of transport. The first aircraft was invented by the Wright brothers in the early 20th century. It gradually led to the invention of modern aeroplanes which can carry hundreds of passengers and goods to far off places in a short time. Major cities of our country have international airports connecting us to many parts of the world. Helicopters are the means of air transport that helps to reach difficult terrains like hills, mountains, jungles, and so on. They are used by the army to transport soldiers and goods to places which are not connected by any other means of transport. They are also useful in making aids available to places affected by nature calamities like flood, earthquake, or landslides. Rockets are used by the astronaut to go into the space. Drones are the latest development in air transport. With time, the means of transport have changed from slow moving vehicles to fast ones. They have made our life easier and more comfortable. The world seems to have become smaller now. People can travel to various places by road, rail, water, or air transport in the very short period of time. Along with this advantage, modern means of transport also have some negative effects on our environment. Vehicles like cars, bus, trucks, and so on release smoke in the air and make it dirty. This is called air pollution. Movement to many vehicles and the use of horns create noise pollution. These lead to health problems like asthma, respiratory disease, headache, and other diseases. So kids, go through learn the chapter, and any doubt and queries send comment and subscribe my channel.